Welcome to Bank to Binaries ahead of the week report, with you since 2012 to cover the world's major investment events and help traders prepare their weekly calendar. Let's review the main asset trends from last week. The euro was up versus the USD, gaining after the Federal Reserve retreated and the prospect of raising US interest rates. The USD was down on negative investor sentiment after dovish comments from the Fed, which is eyeing an unexpected fall in new jobs added to the economy. The GBP was down in continued pressure from this week's EU referendum in the UK. Gold was up as safe haven buying increased in the wake of the latest FOMC meeting results. Oil was down after its fragile recovery as investors returned to pricing in the global oversupply. The asset focus this week is on the GBP and FTSE, which are bound for more heat as the UK goes to vote in the EU referendum this Thursday, June 23rd. Whatever the results of this historic vote, the market uncertainty alone is likely to trigger volatility for UK-linked assets for the rest of the week. On Monday the 20th, there may be trading opportunities on the Japanese yen, which is caught in the tide of negative sentiment because of the Bank of Japan's decision not to expand monetary easing. The BOJ released its minutes at 23:50 GMT, so there could be some volatility for the yen during the Asian session. We could see some more action during the Asian session on early Tuesday morning because the Reserve Bank of Australia releases its minutes at 01:30. There may be an impact on the AUD depending on the signal sent by the central bank of the fourth largest market in Asia. On Wednesday the 22nd, the US releases its latest housing price index for May at 1300, with a possible knock-on effect on the USD. Last seen at the level of 0.7%, this is an important benchmark for the sensitive US housing sector. Thursday the 23rd is a big day for the GBP as the UK goes to the polls to decide whether it will exit or remain in the European Union. As mentioned earlier, volatility is expected for the GBP and the FTSE during this event. Friday the 24th brings trading opportunities in the USD with the release of durable goods orders for May at 12:30. This benchmark was last seen at the level of 3.4%, which was a better than expected result. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. How do I handle a market crisis? Market crises often come as a big shock to traders, but there are ways to handle them and keep moving forward. The first step is to always manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and make sure to use the risk management tools in the trading software. The second step is to adapt quickly to the new circumstances. Keep in mind that each market shock will change the landscape dramatically in the short to medium term. Trade according to the new circumstances instead of expecting things to go back immediately to the way they were before the crisis. Finally, remember that each crisis brings its threats and opportunities, and a successful trader's job is to find the opportunities and avoid the threats as far as possible. Remember to follow us on Facebook for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.